Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a video editing 4K like blurry background, blurry effect. This is Capcut video editing. So if you use this application as your video editor on your Android phone or your PC, it's very right to do. So let's start. This is for example, let's type one of my projects and I want to make this video have like a 4K or blurry effect on the background. So let's tap on your video and then tap duplicate here, and then on the first video you can make overlay. On the overlay you can try to search remove background, and this one remove BG, and you can auto removal here, and this is already applied if you this turn green. So let's get back and then try to search the effect. This one, video effect, you can tap it and try to search a lens and blur. This one, blur. Here you can adjust. You can try to more blur or less blur here. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.